Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format paint cells on Google Spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just select whatever text you want to format paint, and then go up to the top ribbon bar here. There should be a little paint format, a little paint roller icon here. Go ahead and select that, and then go over and select whatever area you want to paste that formatting properties to, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.